Namaskar Gurukulians. Hope you all are in the pink of your health and doing practice of tense at home. So you know very well about that. What we are going to do? We are going to do our next topic, that is future continuous tense. Now let's start. Future clear bete? See, first of all, future, the time which is related to come, okay, will happen, okay, and see, continuous means in progress. You know very well about that. Okay, through the timeline, first of all, I would like to tell you, see, this is your timeline. This side we are taking here, past, and here we are taking now, and this is your future. The work which will be going on in the future means it will be the action which will be going on in the future. That action is related to future continuous tense. So it expresses the action that will happen in the future and will be going on in the future. Is it clear, bete? This tense tells you, okay? Now see, form of this tense is, for the positive affirmative sentences, you know very well, subject, will, shall plus V1, plus B plus V1 plus ing. See, subject, any subject you can take here, she will be taking her lunch at 6 p.m. 12. Sorry, beta, lunch hai. We should take here. Okay. See, she, subject, will be taking. Means this thing shows you that action is in the future and in progress. Her lunch at 12 p.m. Suppose your friend asks you about this friend, what she will be doing right now. Okay, he can say like that, she will be taking her lunch at 12 p.m. Now for negative, she will not be taking her lunch at 12 p.m. Okay, bete, and you can write here, bete, where you have used here note, after shall or will, you will use their note. Formation, if you want to write, you can write here. I am writing here for the negative sentences, subject, will, shall plus not, be, V1, ing, if any object is there. Is it clear, bete? See, same here. Subject, she, okay, will, and after that, not be, this is here, not be, and see, with the verb form, action is here, taking, having, anything you can use here, taking object, her lunch at 12 p.m. Okay, for the interrogative sentence, bete, same you can make here, bete. If WH family question is there, then you will use will, okay, then will, then subject, then be, then V1, ing plus object. Is it clear? See, will she, and question mark bete, will she be taking her lunch at 12 p.m. Is it clear bete? Will, it is question mark sentence, interrogative sentence. Will she be taking her lunch at 12 p.m.? Now let's take some more example related to this bete. An example like that, at 11 a.m. I will be driving to anything you can write here, Portland. Is it clear bete? See what I just want to say through this sentence. See, because I have used it here, will means action will happen in the future. Future, this is the indication of future bete. Is it clear? And if I am using with this will with will be plus ing, it is showing the action is in progress. Okay bete? And see here through the timeline, I just want to tell you once again, this is your timeline, this is your now present time, and this is your past, and this is your future. Is it clear? See, suppose I have started to go to Portland at 9 o'clock here. I have started my journey to there at 9 o'clock, and my journey will be like that, will be continuing. Okay, because it will take to go there to Portland, clear? It will take there many hours to go there. So you will be there on the way. Means it will take many hours to reach there, and you haven't reached there on your point. आप क्या कर रहे होंगे? Means at 11 a.m. I will be driving to Portland. Is it clear bete? And the second sentence like that, you are inviting your friend like that. Do you want to come with us like that? Do you want to come with us to movies on Saturday evening? Is it clear bete? Somebody is asking you, suppose your friend is there, friends are there, and they are asking you, do you want to come with us to movies on Saturday evening? Means on the coming time, means in the future. Would you like to come with us? And you are saying, no, I will be at office, okay, until late. You are saying, I will be. But here you can use shall be also, no problem is there, but it is also right. Nowadays we are using this. I will be doing, working, anything. I will be working at the office until late. What is the meaning of until late bete? Until late means late night. Okay, your friend were asking you, okay, might be here also. Now they are asking you about the future plan. See, they are asking, do you want to come with us? They want to see their movie, they want to go there in the theater, and that's why they are asking on coming Saturday, will you go with us? Do you want to come with us? And you are saying no. You are giving your answer here, I will be working at the office until late. Means you have a work to do. Okay, मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा उस वक्त. Okay, that's why I can't come. Okay beta, and see, means afternoon shift is there. Okay, I have an afternoon shift. I have a afternoon shift. Might be the person have a afternoon shift, and that's why he is saying I will be there doing something. Okay, in the future I will be working at the office until late night. Is it clear? This function shows you haven't reached on your point. This section is showing you, and you are on the way. You haven't reached there on your point where you want to go. That's why you are saying I will be driving. Okay, bete, and more example, couple of sentences we can take here like that. My father will be reading newspaper. The father, my father, anything you can write here. My father will be reading newspaper early in the morning. Early in the morning. Suppose your friend asks you about that, what your father does daily, and you are saying in the morning always my father will be in the morning, early in the morning, my father will be reading newspaper. Okay, and anything else? More example, if you want to take one more. The vegetable seller, okay, the vegetable seller will be selling vegetables. Okay, my father will be I have given that example like that. The peon will be ringing a bell. Okay, and the principal, any example you can take, bete. The principal will be taking around this time. Okay, these are the example which shows you that action in the future is going on, that is not completed. Okay, bete. Now what you will do, you will do practice at home of tense. Okay, and whenever you will come back, I just want to tell you, I will check your own examples also. Of each tense, 5 examples should be there in your notebook. Okay, all the best. Keep practicing at home.